what if thoughts can go round and round in our mind, and it can feel like there's no escape. So in this video, we're going to be breaking down the what if thoughts, where they come from, why they are there, and ultimately how we can avoid getting stuck and feeling like we're just overthinking. Please feel free to share your what if thoughts below. There are many what if thoughts, but I have chosen 3 that I hear the most often. What if they leave me because of this, right? This is the very worst, and this is where our mind can actually go to. We imagine our partners packing their bags and thinking they just can't be with us because of this. The next one is, what if I can never get this fixed? Like, there is no solution, there is no possible way for us to get out of this, and we imagine a future version of ourselves that just spends the rest of our life having to deal with this and feeling ashamed and embarrassed. And then the third one is, what if I can't satisfy them? What if I'm not good enough for them? We feel stuck. We feel afraid, we feel unsure of what to do, and we certainly don't feel like ourselves. We don't feel like the person we're capable of being. Now, there are 3 characteristics to these what if thoughts, and if you have a pen and paper, I'd like you to grab this and just notice them as we go through. First, they are either rational or irrational. This is number 1 and number 2 out of the characteristics. So let's start with the rational ones. The rational what if thoughts would be, what if I feel embarrassed again? What if it doesn't go to plan? What if I lose my erection again? Now, why are they rational? Because they are based on actual experiences in the past of where things haven't gone to plan, times where it didn't work out how we wanted it to. So the thought hasn't popped out of nowhere. We're not crazy for thinking it. It is based on actual past experiences of times when things didn't go to plan. So they're the rational thoughts. Let's move on to the second characteristic, the irrational thoughts. The things like, what if they leave me because of this? What if I'm not good enough for them? These are irrational because they are the questions or the thoughts that we just don't have the answers to. And actually, this is the third characteristic that applies to all of the thoughts, whether they're rational or irrational. We often can't answer them, if at all, because it's about the future. We can't predict it. We don't have a crystal ball. And regardless of whether it's rational or irrational, we're not able to know the answers to these thoughts, and therefore they keep us stuck. This is the number 1 thing that comes from the what if thoughts, is stuckness. Our brain is basically alerting us, saying, whoa, 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 slow down. The last time that this happened, it didn't go to plan. It felt really awkward. We felt ashamed because of that. What if, and then we start creating these projections that can get worse and worse and worse and lead to, what if they leave me because of this? What if I end up lonely for the rest of my whole life? All of it is designed to keep us in our comfort zone. But here is the challenge. These types of thoughts don't take us to the place that we want to be. They don't take us to the land of being able to get this sorted, being able to have performance anxiety fixed, being able to have the incredible kind of sex, deep connection, passion, intimacy, sharing these moments with our partner or future partner that we want to and that you deserve to. Now, all of this is totally possible, but it's not possible when we're stuck in the mindset of these what if thoughts. How do we get rid of them? I'm going to offer 2 things here. Number 1, the first and most powerful thing is awareness. Over this next week, I would like you to just track your own thoughts, the what if ones, and to notice, are they rational or irrational? Just starting to notice and become aware of the thoughts that are going through our mind is an extremely helpful first step. If you are already clear on what the type of thoughts are that you're having, and you've maybe tried different things and you haven't been able to get this sorted, or you're not seeing the results that you want, then the second step, I would like you to take the performance anxiety quiz. This is a very simple quiz. It's a free quiz, and you answer 10 yes or no questions. This will show you what is going on for you personally. Is this performance anxiety or is it something else? Head to the comments below. You'll see the link to the performance anxiety quiz. When you click on the link, it will take you straight to the page where you can answer those 10 yes or no questions. I'll see you there.